In this movie, we will show you exemplary differences between people and animals' movement.
Basic factor of life for life creatures is move.
In physics, when you move, that means that you change your position, which means that if you are, for example, here in this place and after some time you're here in this place, that means that you had to move.
Can you see any differences between animals and people's movement? People have different physique than animals. That's why, while we are moving, there is different muscle effort than in animals move.
Human movement is different than animal movement.
How do people move?
Due to cooperation of bones and muscles, we can move.
And how do animals move? Some animals move on 4 legs. Some animals move on 2 legs. Some animals move on more than 4 legs. Some animals fly in the air. Some animals ooze. Some animals swim. Let's start.
Instead of walking, we can also jump, but it is different than, for example, frog jumping. Frog can jump high even for 1 meter and far even for 2 meters. Before jumping, frog's tendon pulls like a spring, so it can lose pent-up energy.
When frog is jumping, more energy is generated in the shorter time. It gives it a bigger pause for a short moment. We can jump like frog because our tendons work with smaller force.
When we are young, we learn, for example, how to walk and speak, but later we learn how to swim, but we will never swim as good as dolphins, because they can swim very well, and they can swim faster than we can. It depends on their skin, which has amazing abilities.
Dolphin's skin can distort, so it counter creating whirlpools. At that situation, water's resistance is smaller and dolphin can swim faster.
Our skin is not the same as dolphin's skin. That's why we aren't able to swim as fast as dolphins can. Dolphins live in the water, so they are adapted to swimming, because this is their everyday life.
Humans can't walk on water, but some animals can.
Particles at the top displace come out on skater, preventing the increase on its surface, so that this insect doesn't sink and can walk on water.
As we mentioned earlier, human isn't able to walk on water. We can't do this because we are just too heavy. That's why only insects are able to walk on water.
We like risk. For example, we are bungee jumping or we jump with a parachute, which has the same shape as the body of jellyfish. Why?
Jellyfish has a body in the shape of parachute in order to make use of water resistance, and parachute has that shape to make use of air resistance. Jellyfish repels from water like a human swimming breaststroke, and due to that it moves using water resistance. And parachute is using air resistance to shrink down velocity of descent in atmosphere, what allows to safe landing.
We can't swim like a jellyfish because we can't stay under the water for too long, and it isn't our life environment.
Humans can't fly, but there's a lot of birds which are able to do it.
Some birds fly because of lift working on it directed up, which compensate gravitational attraction working on it directed down, which allows the stable flight.
People can't fly because flight requires lifting force of the drive thought and controls. We have those things, but we aren't suitable to control flying.
To summary, human movement is different than animal movement. How we move and how quickly it depends on our skin, muscles and weight, but also it depends on the environment in which we live and adaptation to different ways of movement, such as swimming, flying or jumping.
Human moves different than animal because it has different organs. Despite the fact that movement is inseparable part of both people and animals' life, we move way different than animals.